Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off anyone's shorts on YouTube. If you want to turn off shorts of anyone's channel from YouTube, so you just have to follow some steps. First, you have to open YouTube app. In app, you have to open your profile, which is in the right bottom corner of screen. Just tap on it and then tap on settings in the top right corner of the screen. Tap here, and here you have this general settings. Tap on it. In general, you have the option of playback in feeds. Just select it, and here you have to turn off the settings. Then tap on view, and after that just go back and go to home, and here you have to look for shorts and select the short you want to turn off. As I'm going to turn off this one shot, just tap on three dots, and here you just have to tap on not interested, and then here you can see that video has been removed. You can undo it, you can try it again. So that's how you can remove or turn off anyone's channel's shorts on your YouTube. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.